Hello friends, you are studying chapter 5 arithmetic progression. In this you are seeing exercise 5.3 question number 16. A sum of rupees 700 is used to, total money is given how much? 700. Total is given 700, rupees 700. Is we used to distribute the prices of the student for the overall academic performance. In each prize is rupees 20 less than the preceding prize. Find the value of the each prize. It is less than the preceding prize. Let first prize be X, or you can write the first prize. Let the first prize be A. So second will be 20 less than C. Third will be A minus first 20 less than the preceding. Minus 20, that is A minus 40 up to so on. So you are getting first prize, second prize, third prize. So you are getting A minus 20 and A minus 40 up to 7 prize. How many? 7. N is given 7. What is the D1? A minus 20 minus A will be minus 20. D2 is A minus 40 minus A minus 20. A3 minus A2. That is A minus 40 minus plus 20. You will get again minus 20. So D1 is equal to D2 is equal to minus 20, so it is an 80. You can prove like this. First you prove it is 80. Or another method. You can prove you can start from A, last price. Let the last price be A. Then the previous one be A plus 20, like this you can get. Reverse order also. It is an 80. Because of you can, without proof of D1, D2 also you can write, because each price is decreased by 20, so it is form an AP. Now A is equal to, first term is equal to A, common difference is minus 20, N is equal to 7, Sn is equal to 700. It is given. Total money, this is distributed. Why it is 700? Because the price is distributing from total money. So apply the formula. Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Put the values here. 700 is equal to 7 by 2. N is 7 given. 2a plus 7 minus 1 into minus 20. So you will get 700 into 2 by 7 is equal to 2a plus 7 minus 1, 6 into minus 20. 6 into minus 20. Then 7 and this cancel, you are getting 100. 200 is equal to 2a minus 2a minus 120. So what is the 2a? 2a is equal to 200 plus 120. 200 plus 120, that is 320. So a is equal to 320 by 2, 16, 160. So a is equal to rupees 160. It is your first prize. Second prize, 20 less than this, 140. Third prize, 120. Fourth prize, 100. Fifth prize, 80. Sixth prize, 60. And seventh prize is equal to 40. So you are getting all the prizes. All the prizes which you are getting in this, all 7 prizes you are getting. How are you getting? 7 prizes. These are the 7 prizes: 160, 140, 120, 100, 80, 40, 60 and 40. There are 7 each price value is this decreasing. Another is 20 less than the previous. Now you will see the next question. Question number what is given? 17. Question number 17. What is 17 given? A school student want to plant the tree. School student want to plant a tree. Question 17. The reduces air pollution. It was decided that the number of trees that each section of each class will be planted. Each section of each class will be planted will be same as the class. If the class 1, there will be one tree. If class 2, then 2 trees each section will plant. If class 3, then each section plant the 3 trees. So, for example, class 1st will plant 1 tree. A section, but here given each class has 3 sections. Here it is given that each section is plus around the planting it decided to number of the trees. Class 2nd will plant the 2 trees, so on. There are the 3 sections in each class. How many trees will be planted in the student? Class 1st we plant 3 sections, one section, 1 tree, then 3 trees. Class 2nd will plant 2 by each section, so 2 into 3, 6. Third class will be plant how many? Third class will be plant how many? 3 sections and 3 by each section. Each section plant the name of the class. So 3 3 the 9. Then class 4th will be plant 4 3 the 12 up to so on till the class 12th. 12th means 12th plant 12, but 12 3 the 36. How many? 3 section of 12, 1 section of 12 we plant the 12 trees. So 12 3 the 36. It is the last one. So first, second, third, fourth, fifth, like this. So you find out D1 6 minus 3, 3, D2 9 minus 6, 3, D3 12 minus 9, 3. So D1 is equal to D2 is equal to D3 is equal to 6. So it is an 80. If it is an 80, then what is A? 3. What is D? 3. What is N? 12. What is AN? 36. And what do you want? Find out SN. SN you find. SN is equal to N by 2. A plus AN formula you apply. S 12 is equal to 12 by 2. 3 plus 36. 12 by 2, 6 into 39. 6 into 39. 6 9 is 54. 5. 6 3 is 18. 23. 234 trees are planted by the school. How many? 234 trees are planted by this school who is deciding this pattern. Question number 18. Question number 18 of this exercise. A spiral is made up of the successive semicircles. Spiral, that is this. Spiral means from one point you take a one, just semicircle. Then from here as a center, you will form the another semicircle. From here you form the another semicircle. From here you form the another semicircle. If it is R1 and then it is R2, here it is R1 and this one is the R3 up to so on. This is called spiral. Spiral is spring type. From one place you are taking one radius and increasing, then you will get the spiral. It is your spiral form. So you are getting a spiral here which has some very important things given. In this spiral you are getting question number 18. Each successive spiral A and B. A as a center, then B as a center. One semicircle, B as a center, this radius, another semicircle, again A, this circle, again B. Like this you are increasing. So as shown in the figure, 0.5, R1 is given 0.5, R2 is given 1.0, R3 is given 1.5, R4 is given 2.0 up to so on. How much? What is the total length of the spiral? 13 consecutive up to R13. You want to get length of the spiral made. What is the total length of such spiral made of the 13 successive semicircles? So very important thing, semicircles are formed. So by R1, what is the length? What is the length? What is circumference of the semicircle? Circumference of the semicircle C1 is equal to 2 pi R1 by 2, that is pi R1. Circumference of 2, which is 0.5 pi. In the pi form, pi is given already. Pi is given 22 by 7. So here 0.5 pi. Like C2 is equal to pi R2, that is 1.0 pi. Because R1, R2, C3 is equal to pi R3, because 2 and 2 semicircle. So 1.5 pi up to so on. So you are getting the length of spiral 0.5 pi, 1.0 pi, 1.5 pi up to so on till 13th. So what is the D1? D1 is equal to 1.0 pi minus 0.5 pi. That is 0.5. No. D2 is equal to 1.5 pi. 1.5 pi minus 1.0 pi is equal to 0.5 pi. 0.5 pi. This is therefore D, because D1 is equal to D2 is equal to 0.5 pi. So it is an AP. What is A? 0.5 pi. What is D? 0.5 pi. So you want to, N is given 13. Sn. N is given 13. Sn is equal to S13 you want to find out. So Sn is equal to N by 2 A plus 2A plus N minus 1 into D. So S13 is equal to 13 by 2 into 0.5 pi plus 13 minus 1 into 0.5 pi. At the place of 13 by 2 into 1.0 pi plus 12 into 0.5 pi. 13 by 2, 1 pi plus 12 pi is 60, 6 pi. And then you can get 13 by 2 into 7 pi. This you can write 13 by 2 into 7 into 22 by 7. 7 and 7 cancel, it is 11. 13 into 11, 13 1 13, 13 1 143 centimeter is the total length of the spiral made by 13 successive spirals. 143 centimeter. Very simple questions you are getting 143. So 2 spirals you have seen here. That's all, and next 2 I will tell you in the next.